Today, you're going to learn how to draw support and resistance the right way. Let's jump right into it. So, as you can see right here, this is Nasdaq. This works whether you're trading stocks, crypto, forex, futures, whatever you're going to be trading. This will work. So, this right here is a 4 hour chart. This is on NQ Nasdaq. You're going to want to look for when you are looking for support and resistance. If you are brand new, I'm going to actually take the chart away and just go to something blank. Say this is the candlestick. Let's say we're going up, then we go down, then we go up again, then we go back down, we go up, then we come back down, so on and so forth. Let's just say this is what the candlesticks and what price action is looking like, okay? So now we got here, let's just say we're done. This is the current chart. Now, what you can see here is price is touching at a lot of areas. So this right here, we're just going to put a little rectangle here. This is what's going to be called your resistance. So notice how price is not breaking through this. It keeps rejecting at this level. As soon as it gets here, it goes down. As soon as it gets here, it goes down. And then same thing applies down here for support. Price, as you can see, it tends to stay here. And as soon as it comes down, it bounces up, comes back down a little, bounces up. Same exact thing. This is the true basics. This is the basics of what support and resistance is. You can think of this like a house. So, this right here in your house, you have a ceiling above your head. If you tried to go through the ceiling, there's going to be some resistance. You're going to have to fight to get through that ceiling. It's not going to be very easy. And then, same thing here. This is going to be your floor. If you're trying to go underneath your floor, there's going to be some type of fight. You're going to have to fight to get under the floor. It's not going to be very easy to break through the house, to break through the floor of your house. So let's apply this to real world candlesticks and see how this can really help you. This is how you should mark off all of your support and resistance. You should start at the higher time frame. This is just something that I like to do. I will start at the daily time frame. So this right here, you can see price came up here and then rejected. Now look what happens over here. Very similar price level. So for me, I'm actually going to mark that off, and then I'm going to make that my resistance. And then down here, you can see price touches here. And if you look to the left, you can see price was also here at one point. It was also here at one point. So what I'm going to do is mark this off as my now support. And now I'm going to make this green. So what you'll see a lot of times is price will come down to it. Imagine if I didn't see any of this right here. Imagine if this is what it looked like and I had my support drawn up right here. Now price finally comes back. Boom. Look at that. Perfect touch. Now I can take these buys and go up if I'm trading that way. And a lot of times, what you'll see as well is price will like to what was once resistance. As you can see here, it came up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more on this exact one. So price right here came up, then came back down, came up, came back down. It was playing around in this area. These are 4 hour candles, by the way. So this isn't, or excuse me, these are daily candles. So this is taking some time for this to form. But once it finally broke through, then now it becomes support. I mean, look at all these touches here. So this is on, like I said, the daily time frame. Once you mark this up, you've got the 4 hour. So I like to go to my 4 hour and then do the exact same thing. I'm going to mark off my support here. I see price action was here several times. So I'm going to mark this off as my support. Very, very basic stuff. It's just literally drawing rectangles on your screen. I'm going to draw that there because I see that we were there. We were also here. Now it looks like we finally broke through. We could be going, as of right now, current price, to this next level of resistance right here. Now, another cheat code that I have, I love to do this, and I think it's something that you need to do, is we've got candlesticks here, as you can see. This right here on your trading view, you're going to have a little line chart. Go ahead and click that. Now, once you click that, the candlesticks become lines. It's going to be very, very easy to start reading where price actually hits on all these, and then you can start marking off your support and resistance zones. So right here, let's say I see price here, price here. I'm actually just going to put this right here, mark this off, and then I'm just going to drag this left, and I guarantee we'll get areas of touches where it's a very important area. So let's just see what happens. So boom, let's just stop here. We've got a touch here, a touch there. You can say that that's a touch if you just move this up a little bit. Touch here, breaks through, retests, come back, plays in this area. You can just see this is a very important area, this level right here. So I'm going to have that marked off. Another area here, I see it was resisting here. So let me just mark this off. I'm going to make this red. And then now look, if you go left, you can see that price action was touching there multiple times. So that's just a little cheat code that I have. I love to mark off my support and resistance zones that way. And then you can just switch it back to a candle like so. If you liked the video, I really hope that I earned a thumbs up from you. So make sure to like the video. Also subscribe, really helps the channel out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.